Hello everybody, this is Stumpy, the Stumpy Outdoors. We're headed out to the lake again this morning. We're going to try for a few crappie. We'll see what happens. A little cool, a little windy this morning. Still a couple hours before daylight. Hopefully that wind will settle a little bit and we'll have a pretty day. They're calling for some warm weather. I hope that the forecast is right. Had some people been catching quite a few fish where we're going. We're going to see if we can get on them in about the same location that they were fishing. And hopefully we'll have a really good day. Got two friends going to be down there when I get there. We're going to get together and try to fish a little bit. So we'll see you when we make it to the water. What's up? You about got to get it on the bottom and just let it bounce along the bottom, maybe a foot off. And they're biting really, really light. Just the least little peck.
How many have you got?
About 8.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you catching them on?
There's a little old blue Dallas Cowboys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you ain't done no minnows?
I got one on that right there. I got a couple bites, but I couldn't catch them on it.
Okay.
I'm just drifting.
The wind's kind of blowing this away.
I've been starting right up there and letting it kind of just blow me right by the buoy right there.
Yeah.
I got my drag chain out. It got to blowing me so daggone fast that I couldn't stay where I wanted to stay. So I got my drag chain out and let it drag a little slower.
Have you got any of them?
He's a little bitty one.
What is that?
That's Crappie. There he is. Well, there's a little largemouth I caught. I wasn't fishing for bass, but that's what I caught. Well, we finally got another fish on. Don't know what he is, just caught a little largemouth. See what this one here is. Perch at the same time. Well, we finally caught us a pretty good bass. Let's see if I can adjust the camera a little bit. There we go. That's not a bad largemouth. Let's see, let's measure him and see what he is. About 16 inches long. That's a pretty good fish. Well, I guess we're gonna call it a day. We caught a few crappie. Caught a few small largemouth bass. Caught one nice largemouth bass. I was going to take him home and eat him, something I don't normally do. I guess that's what I get for keeping a bass. But I tied him to the boat. Doggone if he didn't pull my stringer loose. I didn't tie my knot good, and I lost him and my stringer. I guess that's what I get for trying to keep a largemouth and eating him. I normally throw them back. I hardly ever keep one, but it sounded good for dinner tonight. I guess if I want fish, I'll have to stop and buy it. Well, this has been a fun day. Again, we didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but we sure did have a good time. This is Stumpy with Stumpy Outdoors. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I would certainly appreciate it if you would join and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Well, I think we're going to head back to the boat landing, load up the boat, and go to the house. Again, this is Stumpy. You have a good day.